Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your Ubisoft account to your PS5 account or PlayStation Network account. So first log into ubisoft.com, and then after logging in, click the profile icon here and head into account management. In the account management, we will see the account information where we can link our account. Click the account information and scroll down a little until you see this link accounts. So you can see here, this is the PlayStation Network. And just simply click the link button. Click the continue button. And wait for this authentication screen. Since Ubisoft wants to authenticate us in linking our PS5 account. Click the continue button. And as you can see here, my account has been linked to my PlayStation account. And that is how you can link your Ubisoft account to your PS5 or PlayStation account. And thank you for listening.